Hello, everybody. Today we are going to talk about artificial intelligence. Okay, artificial intelligence. The basic, the basic forms of artificial intelligence is something to do with pattern recognition. What is pattern recognition? Okay, we have a different kinds of patterns in the yeah, in your situation, okay, that recognizing that kind of pattern and storing that kind of pattern in your brain is called pattern recognition, and storing it in your brain is called AI. Okay, that is the kind of thing that's going to help you in understanding what is AI. Okay, pattern recognition is the very basic thing of AI. Okay, whether it any kind of sensor. Okay, sensors are just a kind of your skin is a kind of sensor, your eyes is a kind of sensor, your nose is a kind of sensor, your ear is a kind of sensor, taste buds in your mouth is a kind of sensor. Sensors are different kinds of things. Okay, whether it can be a chemical sensor, it can be a biological sensor, it can be a spectral sensor, it can be some other kinds of sensors. Sensors are basically nothing, are kind of things which like for a particular kind of for a human, the skin is a kind of sensing element. Okay, so pattern recognition, how we recognize a pattern. You are given a coin and then you're asked to recognize that what is that. Okay, based on the touch and feel of it, you can say that okay, it is a kind of it is round in size, and it is a kind of coin, and it's got metal kind of thing, and it's giving cold kind of a feeling and things like that. So the skin senses these things and recognizes as a kind of circular structure, and it stores the kind of information that it is a kind of metal thing because it's cold, because it's a metal kind of structure. So that's how it knows it's a coin. Similarly, your eyes recognizes something like circular, the same coin it sees, and it says that it's in circular pattern, and it's got all this marking kind of thing. That is how, and says one. So it's like able to recognize the particular coin. So that particular pattern is just recognized, and it is linked to a particular kind of short form called coin. Okay, that is the kind of thing within the natural language. It is stored in the form of coin. Okay, so that goes your sensor is all this. Your nervous system is a kind of all kinds of linkage. It is just a transfer of all the signals. That's all. Okay, there are different signals coming in. Okay, that goes to your brain. That brain, once you have the brain, there is a structure that is start growing within your brain. There is a kind of structure which starts growing with your brain, growing within your brain, and that brain structure is what is called AI. Okay, the nervous twist. Okay, each part of the brain has got different kinds of sensing elements. Okay, the particular growth factor hormone is sent to a particular part of the brain, and it starts growing cells, nerve cells. Okay, these nerve cells starts form a kind of network architecture. Okay, network architecture, layering after layering, they start spinning at each other, and they form a cluster kind of environment. The nerve growth is kind of starts forming a cluster kind of, based on what it is learning from the environment, the kind of pattern it recognizes. These things are coordinated, and that particular twist, that particular nervous linkage structure is formed. The nerve structure is formed. Okay, nerve structure is like extremely. Actually, there is no memory kind of thing, but the cells are grown in such a way that they form links in a particular kind of pattern kind of thing, and it's stored in your brain. Okay, it's not storage. Actually, it's a kind of it's all kind of nerves and kinds of links, different pattern kinds of links. These kind of pattern kinds of links is what is called pattern recognition, or CNN, or central nervous kind of learning. It's a kind of artificial intelligence learning. Okay, CNN kind of learning. Okay, so actually, when you think about memory means when you take your brain and say that there is memory. Memory, what is there in your memory? There is nothing in there in your memory except the kind of pattern which is stored, the nerve structures, which the neurons which are interlinked, twisted in such a manner that how they are intertwisted. Each thing has separate area, and that aerial growth is kind of intertwined and it's stored. That form of structures and other things is stored. Okay, that is why it is called a pattern is stored in your brain. That pattern is what is called artificial. How fast you can do all the things, how it is interlinked, short form. So it's somewhere one nerve will be a small neuron will be connected from your eye neuron to your like your eye neuron to your some hand neuron and things like that. Okay, hand movement neuron and things like that. So that linkage, how it happens, that whole thing system of learning kind of thing, and using voice also. Like if you take plants and other things, plants are kind of like dish antennas. Okay, they have almost like 10 million, 20 million dish antennas, and it's called a single leaf might have about 20,000 dish antennas, which receives light energy. They are in different directions, but the whole coordination happens within the to absorb all the energy, the light energy, and starts producing photosynthesis within your plant, this thing vegetation, and starts growing. Okay, they also have some kind of brain, but not to the level of human brains and other things. It's a bit more uh, human brains and animal brains are a lot, bit more complicated because they have the movement control. Movement control is like balancing control. Say you're moving from one direction to another direction, then you have to balance your body to move something. Okay, that is called mechanics. Okay, that is the mechanics of your human structure. Okay, that is the mechanical, and learning the mechanics of your human structure and then storing it in some form in your brain, in an interdigital form of brain. It's called what is CNN, central neural net, or a neural net. It's called a neural net. Fuzzy logic is the method of learning. Okay, how it learns all this. Just when you walk, you move all the limbs to different directions and starts making a pattern. It's called machine learning. Okay, that machine learning goes into forms into your central neural net, and then from the neural net, it recognizes that you cannot walk in the front side, you have to go at the back side, and things like that. Okay, so those kind of learning patterns are stored within your brain. It's a kind of pattern which is stored, how it is grown within your brain. That network linkage kind of thing, that is what is called CNN. That is the core of your brain. Okay, don't think your brain has got special memory for separate. No, it's got separate thing, but it is not. Memory is actually a network cluster. That's all. Okay, don't think it is a kind of like special kind of storage or something like that, and then from the storage it is direct. It is all stored in the form of logic. Logic is for computer. It is logical sequences. It's stored bits of zeros and ones in a specific pattern kind of thing. But in kind of the same thing is happening in your brain as a kind of network, actually network linkage. Okay, or the wire connections within your brain, different kinds of wire connections within your brain. Nerves, ordinary brain nerves from human body goes. There are about billions and billions of cells which are interconnected at crystals, and they form the nervous system in your body, and then it goes to the brain and the. Okay, that's a basic thing. Okay, now I wanted to talk about different aspects of medical things. Okay, what are the medical things which is there are people who heal certain people based on different kinds of things. One is called allopathic. Allopathic is purely chemical based. Okay, ordinary chemical based and things like that. Homeopathic is basically making the body balanced. Balance means like the chemical balance is maintained within your body structure so that you are healed. Okay, so some part of the body may not be having the correct rate of chemicals and it's not working properly, or it is too much of working, so the other part of the chemicals are given so that the body maintenance, the calmness is maintained. Okay, that is where the homeopathic is all about, and they have different kinds of medicine for that, and they can be plant derivatives or animal derivatives, or it can be chemical derivatives, or it can be other forms of derivatives. But the thing is, the ideas of different branches of medical sciences are based on what is the kind of the whole class of how they are healing. Okay, sometimes meditation can be used, sometimes you can do yoga, sometimes you can do mind calming. Mind calming is also is a kind of thing, like your brain is working too fast, then you have to calm your mind to control your body structures and then relax your body, and then bring it back to normal. And things like we're running a car or something like that. Machine like you have a car or you give a key to the machine, then it starts working. You have the proper oil and other things, it starts working properly. If there is some failure, then immediately it won't start. Okay. Now even if we keep it for 1 or 2 years and then after that switch on, the machine starts running. So that structure, the machine, the gears and other things are all fit in such a specific kind of pattern so that once you give the key, the car starts moving. Like that, the structure is stored within your brain. Okay, that structure, your human brain, like even if you go under a coma for quite a long time, once it starts, once you come back to normal, immediately your brain is a kind of like thing which has all the gears within that kind of the gear kind of thing, or the intertwined wires within your within your nervous system, which starts working properly and brings back all the memories back to your brain and things like that. Okay, so the pattern is already stored within your brain, that specific path you took and all these things. That what happens once your brain starts growing really fast and it has got all the structures within it, and it is very fast and things like that. Then what happens is that is what goes into your that cell structure in your brain is what goes into your human gene. Your human gene is based on those kind of things, that kind of what kind of pattern you wear. Okay, that pattern of what you wear and where you moved, where you walked, or how much exercise you did for your hand, or which kind of movement you did. All those things goes into that brain kind of structure, and that structure is stored in the brain. That is why some people are healthy, because they do regular exercise and kind of body health is always there, and the cell learns the same kind of pattern, and the cell also within the gene also it starts storing all the things, and that is why it is able to give the birth to a child which is always healthy. Some people are not. If there is some problem, it is called a hormonal problem. It can be other kinds of problems. So if the problem happens within your gene, then it is called a genetic problem, because your kind of environment also plays a huge role on it. Okay, if you keep sensing hot things, then it is kind of so the different kinds of medical sciences, which I don't want to go about talking about all the different medical aspects of it, like acupuncture. Acupuncture is a kind of stopping some of the nerve things to stop working, so that the other parts gets healed, and then after that they release the thing, and then the chi is released, and it's a kind of different kind of acupuncture, different homeopathic is another kind of. Ayurvedic is purely based on plants and animal derivatives and those kind of things. Okay, Ayurvedic is a kind of how you, it's a set of procedures plus what kind of things you want to use. Procedures is like on an empty stomach you have to take like this, or for 3 days you have to take this kind of medicine and things like that. So that is a procedure plus kind of this thing is, that is how the medical healing. Okay, medical healing, I don't want to talk about all the other things of medical healing, but I wanted to give you an overview of what medical things is, how a brain works, and how cell structures work in the same kind of manner. Okay, cells also heal based on that. You have viral healing and you have bacterial healing, those kind of things. They work in different. Like if you have a snake bite or something like that, the snake venom is the kind of thing that destroys all the cells. Okay, you prepare antivenom, so immediately it's a kind of pattern that venom is a kind of pattern. Antivenom is a kind of destroying pattern for the venom pattern. Okay, so once it starts killing all the, starts disintegrating all the venom pattern, and then so the venom doesn't go and kill your cells. So there are two different kinds of things for a venom. It's a neurotoxin and peridotoxin. So neurotoxin is something to do with your nerve cells. Okay, they go affect your brain and other things. Okay, they destroy your brain cells, or the CNS, central nervous system, is spoiled. Okay. Mechanical thing is machine learning architecture thing can be, that's kind of peridotoxin. Peridotoxin is something to do with your cell structures. Okay, they destroy your body structure, like your fingers, like finger cells, or once a snake bites, your finger cells are destroyed and things like that. Neurotoxins, they go affect the neurons also, and then they go into they start destroying the nerves and central nervous system and other things. Some go within the brain cells, they carry over the venoms, go over the blood cells and then destroy small things. So these are the kinds of things. But the action potential is extremely high in those cases. Like for venoms and all, the action potential is extremely high, so that they start distributing very fast. That's why humans get killed very fast in case of poison and other things like snake poison, neurotoxin and palidotoxins are extremely dangerous. Some of the drugs also, they do all the things very fast. Okay. Similarly for AI also, there are certain things which they can destroy the system. Okay. So those kind of things should be used in case of AI. Kind of how to learn the things, how to destroy the things. Okay. Now we go into some of the things and then find out what is the thing inside. Okay. Now I'm going to search for the thing. Now I go look for a particular thing. There is a particular kind of app which I wanted to show you, which will do a kind of things. So the basic thing is pattern recognition, pattern storage, pattern CNN within a pattern, central neural network construction, a kind of pattern network wire construction within your brain, that is called the CNN kind of thing. Machine learning is a kind of like machines, how they learn. Machine is a kind of thing. Machine architecture, machine learning is a kind of learns what are the different kinds of movements you can do. Like if your hand is there, your finger can move only in the left, right, or in the forward direction only, and it has so much of angle and things like that. So that is stored. That is called machine kind of learning. Okay. The plants and animal thing. The animal has movement ratio. That is why it is able to move fast and take. But our animals usually use. They cannot do one thing is they cannot take directly sunlight from and then starts moving the things. Okay. But animals also came from plants. Because what happens is the antennas and other things of the plant structure and other things, they slowly were embedded within the seed of the plant flowers and other things. They dispersed and they had movement, and the seed disperses a kind of thing which is like your branches and other things move. That movement storage was stored and it formed what is called an animal cell. Okay. So from the plant cell all came the animal cell. It's a kind of like bacterial kind of thing or a viral kind of thing. Plant viruses were the first, probably to start that a plant virus. Plant virus was the first thing which which converted into animal viruses, and then later animal viruses got converted into actual animal cells, and then animal cells were there, and then animal cells started growing and forming organisms like animal organism, animals, natural animals and other things. Okay. That animal thing has got one thing, is the basic thing is movement. Okay. Plants cannot move much. Okay. The plants, trees and other things, they cannot move much, but animals have got good movement, and animals always depend on plants. Okay. Because they have to get all the ingredients from the plants, and that is the basic idea. You have to know what is this thing. Okay. Similarly, in case of AI kind of thing, it has to recognize two things. One is how to sense a particular thing. The pattern recognition is the basic concept. Okay. You have to know. There are other kind of things like machine learning, CNN and other things, but pattern recognition is one of the basic things of how it recognizes and how the kind of things are stored in your brain. Now today I'm going to show you an app, how it works, and let's find out how it works. Okay. AI recognize robot. This is the kind of app that was there. Okay. So I want to check if different kinds of AI things are there, but I will just see whether it is able to recognize some of the things which I gave. So I am opening the thing and I'm trying to find out what is it. Now I start this kind of thing. It is asking. Okay. This is your laptop, it says. Okay.
Use this TV to watch a TV show.
So this is a TV, it says. Is this a TV?
Is this your laptop?
Is this your laptop? Is this your laptop with us? Okay, we can have it should be TV laptop. It says.
Let this plane take us to fly.
This is a fan. This is a fan.
Let this plane take us to fly.
It's right to.
Let this plane take us to fly.
It says it's a kind of plane.
Is this your laptop?
This says it's a kind of TV or a laptop. And this is a kind of.
Use this TV to watch a TV show.
Or TV show. So it's trying to recognize those patterns. Okay. This is the kind of thing which is. So this says it's a TV, and this says.
I saw a person who is he.
Okay, he says this is a kind of person, or you know, it's a cat or something like cat, rat, and other things. Okay, so it's trying to recognize the pattern.
I
Okay,
saw a
I don't know
person who
what
is
that is.
he.
Something you can teach them also sometimes. Okay, you take a camera, then using all the thing, and it's trying to recognize all the patterns and other things. Okay,
Sit on this
now I don't
bench
want
and
to
take a
show you all the
break.
things and go about all the things. Okay, and I'm going out. Okay. Now this is a AI recognized robot. So this is a kind of like camera is being used to recognize a particular pattern, and that pattern is stored or linked with your particular kind of word that you give. If you say if you have bucket or something like that, then you want to give that pattern kind of thing and say it is a bucket. So it stores as a kind of it links with that kind of pattern to something. Okay, that's kind of so it starts with recognizing all the patterns and stores in the memory, and that memory is stored in a kind of logical form zeros and one. That logical form zeros and ones are all links. Actually, links. Links means I told you already the network how it is twisted. Okay, how the wires are connected. That is the basic thing of memory storage. The structure of wire connection is called the memory storage or a memory bulk. Okay, actually there is actual thing is the storage is in the form of neurons rather than actually there is no kind of like a memory kind of thing. Okay, it is just a structural pattern which is stored in your brain, and the networks are connected in such a form so that it can recognize some patterns and other things. Pattern recognition is the basic thing of AI learning. Okay, anything you create it will be pattern recognition. For an eye it is a pattern recognition. Similarly for skin it's a kind of like feeling recognition, or it is a kind of like what is the kind of thing. Sensors are nothing but electronic waves and other things. Through waves only they recognize all the things. Okay, that is what today we want to talk about AI volume booster. So it just it senses all the things and starts boosting. When you move something near a loudspeaker, your hand, then it increases. When you move it up, we want to move the volume, make the volume boost. Then you move the hand up, it starts moving, and you move the hand down, then it starts reducing the volume. So those kind of evaluation AI and other things. So those are the basic things of AI which you have to learn. Okay, there are different kinds of languages used for AI. Okay, that is one is a Python, another one is Python is a kind of like certain languages are like well tuned for AI. Okay, they just form a network pattern. A pattern, they just form a network pattern and starts recognizing. A is a set of commands which forms a network pattern. Okay, visual pattern recognition. Then you have sensor pattern recognition. Then you have touch pattern recognition. Then you have different kinds of voice pattern recognition. So those kind of things are all stored in your memory, and they coordinate. Coordination is a kind of another pattern recognition. Okay, your voice is coordinated with your brain, it is coordinated with so your eyes, and these things are clubbed together to form a kind of structure within your brain as a network structure that is called the CNN kind of thing. So now we know about artificial intelligence, what is the different kinds of things, how it is used in medicine, how to heal a particular thing, how to derive a particular kind of chemical to heal certain body. Okay, the medical things I don't want to go. I just came into the things like how a robots or like an intelligent robot and other things can be healed within the kind of things environment it was protected. Okay, so even machine learning sometimes it goes wrong, but later you can heal it all things and you can just bring it back to normal and things like that. Okay, for now it is over. So I just want to give a gist of what is AI and other things. For now it is over. Okay, it's over. Thank you. Bye.